this exercise, we're going to get out there and talk to people. Now, I know this isn't everyone's cup of tea, but by far the most effective way to understand your customers is just to spend some time with them. So it may sound simple, but it's often overlooked as a customer research tool, but it's the perfect tool to build a brand the minimum viable way, because it's fast, it's super effective, and it gets you a huge amount of information with very little budget. So we want to understand our customers as deeply as we can. So we want to uncover things like, what do they believe? What do they believe in? What are their values? Who and what are they influenced by? What do they need more of or less of in their lives? So in order to do this, we need to gain their trust, because we need them to open up to us. So we need to be humble, open, non-judgmental, very respectful, really curious, and rule number one is just to listen and don't preach about your product. In fact, don't even mention your product. This is all about them, finding out more about them as people, it's not about you. So this kind of interviewing style is based on ethnography, which is the study of people, and it's frequently used by companies large and small, but especially when building a product or service or a company that's new, something that's new, because it gets to the root of what the problems are people are experiencing and how they feel about that. It's also a design thinking method that's based on human-centered design. It's really effective for uncovering insights that can help to define your brand and also shape your product offering in ways that you might not have thought of. So for the first exercise, you're going to go and visit some of your early adopters in the environment where they are using the product or where they buy it. Whilst you're with your customer, you're going to focus on looking and documenting the environment and listening to what they say. So the more interviews you can get, the better, but obviously they take time. We're looking for a minimum of about 5. You might want to divide this work amongst your teams to make it a bit faster. So maybe you each do 1 or 2 interviews. You do 1 or 2 interviews each to spread it out a bit. So take a notebook and pen, take your phone to take photos and video, and record audio if your interviewees are happy with that. We've added a link to an interview guide in the Miro board that you can adapt for your brand to give you a place to start. So get out there, happy chatting, and see you in the next one.